Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by readying both devices. On your Xbox Series S, enable remote features and instant on power mode, and make sure networking shows NAT open. Next, install the Xbox app on your Windows laptop and sign in with the same Microsoft account. Once done, connect both the console and laptop to the same fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi or, better, a wired gigabit LAN to cut latency. This gets you to the first actionable step. Launch the Xbox app and select console streaming to start a session. If you prefer a wired, low-latency option, use an external HDMI capture card. Plug the Series S HDMI output into the capture card input, then connect the capture card to your laptop over USB 3.0 and install any required drivers. Once installed, open OBS or your capture software, add the capture device, and set the input resolution and frame rate to match the console. Make sure to enable low latency mode if available, and route audio to your laptop so you hear game sound while you play. You're almost done. Pair your Xbox controller to the laptop by USB or Bluetooth, then test buttons and vibration. Next, optimize streaming settings. Lower bitrate or resolution if you see stutter, prefer wired LAN and close background apps to free CPU. For capture setups, pick the correct audio device and enable exclusive mode to avoid sync issues. If things go wrong, check NAT type, update console and capture drivers. Restart the Xbox app and confirm both devices share the same network. That single check fixes most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.